Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, as you can see behind me, we're working on the 2002 Chevy S10 Xtreme. We've got the hood up, we've got the light on, we're ready to rock and roll. But before we get too far into that, you boys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is super helpful, and it's truly greatly appreciated. All right, so what are we doing on this guy today? She looks pretty good back there, doesn't she, boys? I just gave her a bath. Cleaned her up a little bit. We had some rains here, and well, you know, rain on black leaves some spots, so we got her cleaned up. Today we are doing cold air intake and a throttle body spacer. Don't know if either of these are going to have any sort of significant impact or not. Kind of a trial and error, but hey, it's kind of fun, and get to try something different and see what happens anyways. So what I ended up doing was I was kind of shopping around on eBay, and I hit add to cart a couple of times, and this is what we're working with today, boys. We have a helix coil or swivel throttle body spacer. As you can see here, this guy, it's pretty beefy. It's got some pretty aggressive teeth in there, so I'm excited to see if that makes a difference performance-wise. Noise-wise, not really sure. Came with gaskets, hardware, all the goodies, some pretty decent instructions, I guess. Visuals are not the best, but hey, we're gonna figure it out as we go. And then right over here, don't you love it when stuff shows up and the boxes holes in them and all of that good stuff. But this is what we're working with here today, and I haven't even opened this up yet, so we'll do that together when we get to that point. But what we have to do first, boys and girls, is come over here and get this stuff off and ready to accept the new stuff.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I went ahead and got the air intake out, the air filter and all of that good stuff, and I've got that sitting over there on the floor. I'm sure we're gonna have to rob a few pieces and bits out of there, mass airflow sensor and stuff of that nature. We're gonna probably have to switch over. But now we're gonna go ahead and get that throttle body spacer put in and see how that goes.
Tell you what I saw.
Alright, boys and girls, we got that throttle body spacer in. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and tackle that cold air intake system. See what's involved there. See if it does us any good or not. We've got the old stuff here. Like I said, we're probably going to have to rob a couple of sensors and things off of there, but let's go ahead and unbox that thing, see what we're working with.
You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Got it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it up you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Alright, boys and girls, well, this is what we got. Nice filter, a little shroud, some couplers, clamps, hardware, hoses, whatnot. Everything but instructions. So we're going to figure this out as we go.
I'm going on.
Look left, look right, and I come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right. This what the angles look like. Way up, stood high, taking the view when it look right. And oh, it's the good life, whipping the sauce when I cook like. Look left, look right, yeah, yeah. Come with a hook right. Hook right, hook right, hook right. Make all the man them look twice. I'm way up, stood high, but I've been in the field like Suge Knight. And they know this took time. This what a legacy look like. This what a come with a hook right, and I come with a hook right.
Well, boys and girls, she's in. Looks good. We've got both the throttle body spacer right there, and then the intake. Everything looks pretty nice. Not mad at it at all. I did have to go ahead and adjust my mass airflow sensor a little bit so that the plug wasn't sticking up too high. Didn't want it hitting the bottom of the hood, breaking anything there. Those are pretty fragile, so, you know, clock it a little bit. I might actually clock it all the way underneath just so you don't see any of that plug. I think that'd be kind of a nice little look, or not look actually. So not bad at all. Let's fire it up and see how she sounds. I forgot I unplugged the coil wire. Make room. Scared me there for a minute. Make a little extension bracket here so that actually mounts hard and nice, much like I had to do on all three of those posts. But everything looks pretty darn nice. I do like it. Let's get this hood closed and go for a little cruise. Alright, boys and girls, well, I'm clipping right along here, doing about 65. She sounds pretty good. I don't notice a whole lot of difference, to be honest with you. I don't notice any extra pep. I don't notice any extra horsepower. The old butt dyno isn't giving me any good readings, just kind of some dashes right now. And, I mean, for what it is, it's okay, it looks nice. I'm still gonna keep it. I'm just hoping that our fuel economy stays relative where it is. I did this once on the 95 and I put a K&N in it, and my fuel economy got cut in half. So I took it out and went back to factory. So we'll see if that's the case here. Stay tuned for some updates. Leave a comment below, guys. What do you think? Is it worth it? Is this something you guys have done on yours? Let me know. I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of new to this whole section of stuff, so any input is greatly appreciated. That's gonna wrap things up for us here today. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.